Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix ban on TikTok Live, and here's how it's done. Step 1. Access TikTok settings. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Report the problem. Scroll down and find Report the problem near the bottom. Tap on Live from the list of options. Select Hosting Live. Tap on Live is suspended. When asked if your live is suspended, choose No. Step 3. Contact TikTok support. Tap on Need more help? Write a message explaining the situation, stating that your TikTok live access has been banned and requesting the ban to be lifted. Be polite and clear. Submit the message to TikTok. Step 4. Wait for a response. TikTok may take a few days to review your case and respond. Be patient and check for updates. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix ban on TikTok Live account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.